Alright, Sonny and I are having a bit of Daddy Sonny time.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun, isn't it, Sonny?
Yeah.
Yeah. Amy's got called into work today, so it's a Wednesday. I'm looking after Sonny. So looking forward to having the whole day to ourselves, hey?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do, Sonny?
Swim.
Beach and swim?
Yeah.
And where are we gonna go drive?
Done.
On the sand, yeah. So we're going 4-wheel driving to Wilbinga Dunes. Was there on the weekend. Still fairly new at this, so just picked up a sand flag. That should help us out. No one else with us, so hopefully we don't get too badly bogged. Got this thing, Bogged, battery powered, tyre inflator and deflator. The tyre pressure down to 18, 17 psi. Just for the little track going into the beach, you can kind of see it on the picture behind me. That way we can kind of get over some of the rocks, and then we're going to drop it down to 14 psi when we get onto the beach. Look at him. Oh, it's the time for him, isn't it? Oh, he's a little baby one. Flag at the back of the ute didn't work on the tray, so I've managed to shove it through the window, and that seems to be doing a good enough job. The reason I was checking the flag just then was because we're going through this real narrow part, and I mean the shrubs are, you know, above the car height, and there's really tight little bends everywhere. So the thing is, you're not really even going to be able to see a car coming unless they have a flag. So I've put the flag on and just made sure that that's in a good position just in case I see anyone else on this really narrow track. I got no idea what I'm going to do if we actually do bump into someone, because I'm not sure if I can reverse out of here. There's all this what they call, I think, capstone, or it's like this limestone stuff that just sits across the surface of the track, and it's really quite dangerous stuff because you can kind of, you know, pop your tyres on it, especially the sidewalls since they're deflated. So yeah, just go real slow over that is what I've learned. As you can see, Sonny's having a great time bonding with me on our little quality time together. It's all been very exciting for him. Not even on the beach yet, and he's already puffed out. So let's let him have a little sleep, and then we can pick it up at the beach, eh? We've hit the sand. This is the first clearing since we left the main entrance area. So I'm just going to drop from 18 to 14 psi now. Alright, run up the dune. We're all good to go. Wilbinga shacks. Here we go. Means we're getting close to the beach. Yeah, pretty nice, just taking a little drive along the coast here. Beautiful, hey? Just gonna keep following this. Sonny's still asleep, so he's having a good time, so I'm just gonna keep going until I find a natural spot to stop. You can kind of see here that we're like only maybe 5 meters away from the water. And this is actually, I checked the tides before I came out, and 1 p.m. is low tide. It's 12 o'clock at the moment, so this is pretty much as low as the water gets. So being a little bit careful here, just hugging real close to the sand dunes, because last thing you want to do is get bogged right next to the water with the tide coming in. Especially, you know, it's just me. I've got Sonny here, no radio, limited recovery gear. What could possibly go wrong? Isn't that right, Sonny? Yeah, just woke up. You having fun, Sonny?
Yeah.
What are you enjoying the most?
Three.
Oh, You just flick sand in your eyes. Got my pre-made burrito cooking in the air fryer. Pretty excited about that. Thank you. What do you got there, Sonny?
That is.
Oh, yummy. Some little sausages and a cookie. Yum. Sonny's been buried. Sonny's been... Oh! Can you get out, Sonny? Oh! He's escaping. Yeah. You want to come into the water? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Oh no, run! Oh. Watch out, Sonny! You throw it in the water, hey? Alright, let's go do it. Oh, it's exhausting. What?
Again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Who's that? Yeah. Who's that? Yeah, Daddy and who? Yeah, Daddy and Daddy. It's a bit windy, isn't it, Sonny? Is it windy? Yeah, it's so windy. Turn the switch on, please, Sonny. Yep, good boy. This is good. Lift your towel up, please. Yep, beautiful. There we go. How good is that? You want to do it?
Yeah.
It's a bit hard for Sonny to do it.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh! Good shot, Sonny. You want to do it again? Oh my goodness! Oh wow! We put the flag outside of the main camp area just because we're kind of buried in the side of these two sand dunes here, and it's actually really difficult to see us. And I really was concerned that if Sonny just ran out of the sand dunes towards the water, that perhaps a car could be coming and they wouldn't know that he'd be here because, you know, there's no one for miles around. So we just put that little sand flag from the roof onto the front of the path there, just to make sure that any passing traffic would know that someone's set up shop here. So that's a little idea. The tide's coming in. Time to get out of here. Man, that was soft sand. Oh man, yeah, that was hard. I thought we'd been lost to the sand there for a moment, Sonny. Oh no, that would have been bad, wouldn't it? Yeah. My first bog situation. It's not too bad. It's on the hill. Just went to get my camera. Yeah, it's not. Don't want to spin the wheels, but it's not going. Good little helper, aren't you, Sonny?
Yeah.
Are you a digger?
No.
Here's a good little digger. Alright, so been a bit lazy, done a quick dig just to see if this works. We're on a hill, so probably make more sense to go backwards, but I thought let's have a shot going forwards first and see what happens. You gonna stay here, Sonny? You stay here, you don't get in front of the car, okay? Alright, let's see what happens, eh? Fortunately, the recovery track's now underneath the car and we're just as bogged as before, so we're going to have to start the whole process again. This time,
Yeah.
I think I'm going to go backwards. Thank you, Sonny. Thank you for saying that was very good. Alright, we're going to try and reverse up. Don't touch it, Sonny. Just full disclaimer, this is only the second time I've ever been driving in sand dunes. And I've never got myself out of a bog situation like this. So I don't really know what I'm doing. Just hoping for the best. We're good so far.
Yeah.
Something you would like to say, Sonny?
Yeah. Cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
Why would you like to say cat?
Gotcha.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
Daddy, look.
And this is why you need a lift kit. Look how close that rock is to probably what is some important things underneath the car that shouldn't be punctured. I don't have a lift kit. Talking to Amy about it, $700. Gets me an extra 5 centimeters. And on a slope like this, I feel like an extra 5 centimeters is a lot of centimeters, you know? We made it. Just a bit of first person driver footage just to show you what it's like. Alright, so it's been about, it's gonna be about 4 hours since I last saw another vehicle, which was down those fishermen that we drove past on the beach. Haven't seen anyone else since then. I don't really know. I mean, I'm following a road. There's you might not know, but there's literally hundreds of little paths going in all directions. I'm just jumping on the top of the car to try and find some perspective, but it's hard to really know where you are, isn't it? And no reception out here, you know. I suppose we're just going to keep going that way. We've learned a lot today. Let's do it again. Hey, Sonny. Can you go, yeah?
Yeah.
Good fun. And I think at the end of the day, this has been about spending quality time with Sonny. Yeah, it's been really nice. Hey, Sonny boy. Ooh. Here's the flag's no longer on the flagpole. Just been driving around with a big flagpole like an idiot. Alright, we made it. We're at what's called Wilbinga Grove. So this is just on the side of Indian Ocean Drive. So this is kind of the final destination. We made it, we're out. New friends, and they've got something to say.
Subscribe to the video. What you said.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thanks Nico and Jezebel, couldn't have said it any better myself. If you want to see more of this content, hit subscribe, like the video. Don't usually do plugs for this kind of thing, but curious to see if it makes a difference. So show me you're watching, do it.